Top of the morning, people. So look, we back out here at this grind on the path to 100K. Now, I posted a recap video yesterday. TikTok, for whatever reason, scrubbed my audio, removed it, put a song over it, which was fine. The song is actually kind of fire. But I put this money, now I gotta go take this money and put it back in the bank. But the goal of it was just to inspire and encourage. It wasn't to promote bad activity. I know, real quick before we get started. So it's 8 a.m., but it wasn't to promote anything bad. I think it was because I also showed the recap from the Commanders game yesterday. Yes, we beat Philly. Yes, we beat Philly. And it's a heck of a game. Yeah, and I'm not sure what happened, but anyway, we here. This is day 7, week 2, and we still on the grind. So we're about to head back to Kensington, to another client out in Kensington, which is near the Rockville area out in Maryland. So, man, let's just get to it, all right? We back on it. We starting at 0. Let's see what we can do. Remember, the daily goal is 325. Cool. The goal in this is just to simply show that it's attainable. That is it. That is it. Like I said in the other video, it's not a flex. You know what's a flex? Hold on. This is a flex. This is a laser level. A laser level. This to me is a flex, okay? Because this tool helps reduce a job. Sorry about that. It helps reduce a job from taking you like, I don't know, 45 minutes to 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Listen, the real currency is time. It's money. Money makes the world go round, but it's time. Your time, you cannot replace your time. All right, today is Monday. We will be peaceful. Let's strive for excellence. Let's keep going, baby. We back on this grind. It doesn't matter what you do. The goal is 325. I don't care if your goal is only $20 a day, 25. We can start small, nail that, get that victory like the Commanders did yesterday against the Philadelphia Eagles. And, and then we just keep pushing forward. We just keep pushing forward to the next one, okay? Kensington, I'll see you soon. Sometimes you gotta get out here and scrub. You gotta grind. Sometimes you gotta call an audible on a play. We gotta make it happen. Seems to me that they gatekeeping. Somebody gatekeeping. All right, let me stop playing victim. I just don't know how to use TikTok for real. I don't know how to do social media like that. So it's probably something I did wrong. Yeah, it's probably, we're gonna chalk it up at that. It's no grand conspiracy theory to stop me from inspiring you to get out there and do your thing. I shouldn't be so cynical, right? I shouldn't be so cynical. Who cares? Nobody cares. Who's gatekeeping the information for real? It's all out here for us to get. Quick, and if you're from the area, you're gonna feel me. Remember how we used to think this was Disney World? Wow. Crazy, right? You remember that. All right, y'all, we have arrived. We have 4 to do here, so we're gonna try to knock this out, and then, yeah, we headed to Frederick. All right, let's get in here. Let's get it done. All right, so let's see. We have 65 here. Right. All right, how do we get this? The one connect box in there. Velcro. Let's go. Just a chill guy. Just sweeping. Excellent. All right, we on TV 2. Quick update, we're only doing 2 TVs, but let me show you something cool. So this TV, we going here. But look at this little secret passageway. Oh, I'm not sure if y'all can see it. Pretty cool. That's neat, right? Get up in there, go hiding. Hide and go seek. It's lit over here, I'm sure. Ooh. Yep.
Yeah, this used to be the TV over here.
Okay, squad, that's another 4 that we add to the kitty. And now we hop back on this good old road and we head to Frederick. All right, so goal was 325. 325 was the daily goal, right? So we just did 400. So if we did 400, you put that over 325. We crushed the goal for the day. That put us at 218%. Do not do the math. Path to 100,000. Frederick, Maryland, here we come.